Welcome to 998 Scott Hall Road, a very attractive double-fronted detached family home. Its location is ideal within minutes of the Moortown hub, easy access to all the main arterial routes and within catchment for so many of the good schools that LS17 has to offer. With 3 reception rooms, this property has enough space for even the largest of families. The sumptuous bay-fronted dining room leads you through into the living room, which benefits from French doors into the large rear garden. Garden access is also provided through the cook's dining kitchen. Modernly presented with stainless steel worktops, it is warm, inviting and the heart of this family home. A fully converted garage brings a 3rd reception room into the mix. Currently used as a gym, it would make an excellent home office or children's playroom, and from here you have access to the downstairs cloakroom and laundry area. The house is flooded with light, with 22 windows in total, and the master bedroom is no exception, with large bay windows to the front and matching twin windows to the side. The master bedroom is decorated beautifully and grand in scale, but with a cosy, inviting feel. Bedrooms 2, 3 and 4 do not lack for space either. Every bedroom in the property is a double or larger, offering space for a family to grow into and the opportunity to make them your own. The jewel in the crown of this property is a large rear garden, offering a private space to unwind. To recap, the property has 4 double bedrooms, 3 reception rooms comprising of open plan living room, dining room and gym, a beautiful kitchen diner, family bathroom, downstairs cloakroom and laundry room. It really does need to be seen to be fully appreciated, and we hope to see you there very soon.